I'm Neal Julien. This is my great nephew Jarrell, who is very interested in cocoa, and this is my estate at Blue Settlement, Rio Claro.
How do you feel about having 3 winning samples in the top 20 of the 2021 National Cocoa Awards?
It's a proud moment because it shows that what I'm doing is the way I prepare the cocoa, I'm on the correct track. And it also, with my small business, it helped to boost my small business also. Twitter holds for me to get more equipment so that I can expand business more. And I don't want to tap everything, but when I expand my business, then I want to start with the ecotourism part of it.
So tell us a little about the brand name for your value-added products.
The brand name for my value-added products is Rooties Connoisseur, not R-U-T-H, but R-W-T-I-E-S. Rooties Connoisseur is a tribute to my mom, because she was involved in this cocoa, and I learned a lot of things from her and my dad also. She used to, growing up, at a certain time I really wasn't interested in land, and she always keep telling me, don't let the cocoa grow up in bush, keep the land, this, that, So and then I get a love for it. And then after thinking about what you could do from it, from Polaya, so I decided. So I wish she was alive, just to see what, from the land, what the cocoa could do. Right now I'm making tea blocks, instant chocolate, cocoa butter, and then I get the powder. And they're just those 3 products. I'm on Facebook, and my telephone number is 732-5712.